Hey everyone, this is John, and today I'll be repairing a late model Toyota Corolla front bumper that is torn in half. Now I got a few staples on the bottom side. I'm going to remove this one and realign this top edge. So I want to make sure the tape is tight in the inside corner because I'm going to attempt to weld all of this from the back side by V-grooving deep so that my weld pushes all the way through and hits my tape. The plastic's a little thin right here, so I'm going to make sure that I push the rod nice and deep into the part, hoping to get a solid weld through and through. Bumper is all cool now. Let's remove the tape and see what it looks like. I'm going to use a pointed bit on a die grinder to kind of clean the paint off from around the weld so I can smooth it up with my airless welder. So I'm just kind of smoothing the plastic down to make sure that I do not have a hairline crack. If we do, we're going to have to weld it. I'm going to sand that with 80 grit and then just kind of press up on it to see if it opens up anywhere. I do not see any hairline cracks at all. So it looks like we've got a solid weld with just welding it on the back side and pushing the rod through. All right, I'm gonna come back with the airless welder and kind of smooth over some of these staple holes. We've got it sanded with 80, all shaped up. It's very strong. I'm not seeing any cracks anywhere when I bend it. And that is ready to be primed and painted.